that was Jared McNeil's been claimed to have the biggest whip in the world. He thinks he's got an even bigger one. Do you guys want to see it? Right on, then let's go. Here we go, Fresno. Here's Fresno, California. Let's hear for X-Games gold medalist, Jared McNeil. Wow, that was a cool contest, brother.